subscribe to Yarloon YouTube channel. And don't forget to click the notification bell icon.
Hashtag, my name is Rinchin Griffiths-Gola. I'm an MMA fighter from London. I'm actually half Tibetan on my father's side. We are from the Toa Bashe area of Tibet. I'm from a village called Goba. Yeah, that's a short form. That's me. I was born in London. Raised in London as well.
So let's hear it for your winner.